My dear student, in this question, what is given? If 45 is subtracted from twice the greater number of two numbers, it result in other number. Other number means actually smaller numbers. So I have just taken that. Greater number I have just selected x, and a smaller number I have selected y. And you can just see that 45 is subtracted from twice the number. Twice the number means 2 times of the number. So greater number I have just selected x, so twice the number means 2x minus 45 is equal to y, and I have just considered it as equation first. Again you have to just see in the question, if 21 is subtracted from twice the smaller number. A smaller number is y, and you have to subtract 21 means minus 21 from twice the smaller number. A smaller number is y, so twice the smaller number means 2y minus 21, which is equal to x. And after that, putting the value of y from first in this equation, and then you have to just write down 2 into, and it is taken from equation first, because the value of y is 2x minus 45, and when you have to simplify, then you can get the value of x is equal to 37. And after that you need to put the value of x in first, and when you putting the value of x in first, then what you get? Actually the value of y is 29. This is why the two numbers are actually 37 and 29, and this is the solution of this question. Hello student, today I am going to discuss this question, and you can just see that. Hello student, I am going to discuss the question, if 2 is added to each of the two given numbers. Two numbers have been given, and let consider as x and y are two numbers, and their ratio becomes 1:2 if 2 is added to. From problem, if you add 2 of each of the numbers, then you have just added x plus 2 and y plus 2, then you can just see that the ratio becomes 1:2. And if you solve it, then what you get? X plus 2 upon y plus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, and you can just multiply 2 into x plus 2 is equal to y plus 2, and what you get? 2x plus 4 is equal to y plus 2, and this is why the first equation 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 4, and it is equal to minus 2, and it is considered as 1. Again you can just see again. However, if 4 is, and now you can just see that if 4 is subtracted from x and 4 is subtracted from y, then their ratio becomes 5:11. And when you have to just solve this question, then you have to just find out the second equation, that is 11x minus 5y is equal to 24. And now you have to just get two different equations, and now you need to solve these questions. My dear student, and to solve this question, you know that there is a minus 5y, and here is y minus y, and this is why you need to multiply the first by 5, and then you have to subtract from second. And when you solve the questions that you know very well, then x is equal to 34 you get, and when you put the value of x in any one of them, I have just put in the first, then the value of y has been find out 70. Hence two numbers are 34 and 70.